Hello everyone, welcome back to Mary's Plans and Budgets. And today we are doing another cash envelope stuffing, and we're also doing a quick budget with you guys as well. And if I sound out of breath, it's just because I went to the gym. I just got off the gym and it was real tough today. We did a lot of leg workouts and stuff. So we'll just get to this. And today is the 17th, and actually the 18th, and it's Paycheck 3. And my husband got 554 with 50, and I got 665 with 47. Altogether is 1,219. And we don't count the cents. The cents just stay in the bank in our own separate savings account, so that way it just accumulates little by little. And then I had to leave $82 in the bank for the upcoming bills, so I did that. I just left those $82 in the bank. And so we'll just get started here with our expenses and sinking funds, and I'm gonna have this to the side because it's my guidance. So 665 are for mine, and I usually don't count the money, but we have 1, 2, 300. I should have fixed the money earlier. Then we have 350, 4 for 55. Then we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. That's 620, 630. I really should have done this earlier. 630, 635, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5. 665. That's from my paycheck. And then we're only taking 450 out of the 540 from my husband. So we have 1, 2, 253, 20, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's 400. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, and 54. Oh, I don't know. I miscounted, but it's okay. I'm really tired. I actually went to the movies yesterday, and we got out of the movies like around 11:30 at night. We went to sleep almost at midnight, and I got up late today at 10 actually, and I went to the bank at 11, and then at 12:30 I went to the gym, and I haven't ate. I'm actually eating my overnight oats right now while I'm filming this. So here are my expenses per Paycheck 3, and we're stuffing most of them this week, and we're all doing Paycheck 3, and we're not doing emergency fund because we already have our 1,000, and I'm gonna just leave it at 1,000. So we're gonna start with our purple binder here, and that is our bills binder. And if this video sounds like if I'm hurrying up, I pretty much am, because it is 1:18 right now, and I have to go to work at 2, and I still have to shower. So here I go. We're stuffing 263. So we have 1, 2, 50, 10, and 3. 2, 3. So we have 263. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 657, 750, 80, 90, 100. That's 900. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 909. I think I counted that right. I'm not sure. So then we have utilities, and utilities is getting 63. So we're getting a 50, a 10, and $3. 2 and 3. So utility now has 50, 100, 150, 160, 170, 180, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 189. Loan is getting 255. 1, 200, a 50, and a 5. I hope I don't get confused by trying to hurry this up. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 650, 750. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 650, 7, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65. We have 765, I think. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to count this one more time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 657, 55, 65. Yeah, 765. I think that's how much it is in the 765 in here. I just miscounted. I'm sorry. So car payment is getting 150. 7, 1, 50, 5, and $2. And that is 157. My one is looking the other way. Okay. So car payment has 1, 2, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 60, 70, 75, 375, 76, and 778, 79, and 90. So 390 in car payment. Gas is getting 60. So we're getting a 50 and a 10. So now gas has 120. Oh, 150, 70, and 80. 180 in gas. Parents isn't getting anything this time, and Dead Snowball isn't getting anything. Back to Bank has a lot of money. I've been unstuffing off camera some of my envelopes from here. So now we're gonna go to our pink binder here, and we're gonna do groceries. And I have some change in here, and I'm just gonna take this money out real quick with you guys. And I have my container here on the side now this time. So we're getting 100, and we're gonna get 120s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're gonna go to Family Time, and Family Time is getting 10. And we finished Family Time. We went to the movies yesterday, and we ate out with the kids. And then Spending is getting 10, and we have a few dollars and some change in here. And this change is gonna get rolled over for now. So it's getting a 10. So you have 10, 11, 12 in spending. We went out again yesterday to the movies, so we got some popcorn and stuff for the kids, and we got that from spending. Home has change in it, and we're gonna take that out. So we have 25 and 6, and then we're adding for home, we're adding $10. So now home has 20, 35, 6. Has 36 in home. Then on pets is actually getting $14. Yes, 14. So we're getting a 10 and $4. 2, 3, and 4. So we have 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So pets has 39 for right now. I haven't got anything for my pets right now, so they have pretty much everything they need right now. Miscellaneous has 5 and is getting another 5. So it has 10 now. School is getting 5. Sorry guys, I'm just a tad bit hurry. So school has now 20, 40, 55, 56, 57, 58. School has 58. Clothing is getting $3. 1, 2, and 3. So clothing now has 20, 30, 31, 32, and 33. So clothing has 33. And we are done with our spending binder here, our pink binder. Now we're gonna go to our savings and our sinking funds here. So we have Haiti here, and she goes first, I guess. She gets a 20. So Haiti has now 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 180 in Haiti. That's my oldest daughter. Junior, my son, is only getting 10. So now Junior has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4. So he has 104. Medical is getting, I'm gonna switch my binder around. Medical is getting 5. So now medical will have 20, 45. Car maintenance is getting also a 5. Most of these sinking funds are getting 5s. So we have 20, 45. I took some money off of birthday. I took out a 20 because it was my sister-in-law's birthday. So birthday's getting a 5 as well. So now birthday has 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. Birthday has 60. And I'm going to put this back just to remind myself of it real quick. Then house is also getting a 5. So we have 20, 45 as well in house. Christmas is getting a 5. We started Christmas last week. So Christmas now has 10, 15 in Christmas. Lawyer is getting a 70. So it's getting a 50 and a 20. So lawyer has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, and 40. 140 in lawyer. Emergency fund isn't getting anything. And I have money left over, and I know why. And the reason why I have the money left over is because I have a 20 here for myself as my allowance. My husband kept his in his account, and then 15 for my daughter as her allowance. I know you think it's a lot, or if you think it's a lot, it's just because she does help a lot while I'm gone now. and she, sorry, excuse me, and she helps just pretty much with her chores. She actually does them and stuff. So I have a 20 for myself, and we're not paying babysitter this week. I actually have some change from my wallet here. So I'm just going to take this change out and put it in our container here. And I'm going to roll over my change for now, and you'll see why in the next 2 weeks. So I'm going to roll over to mine's. And that's pretty much it for today's video. I'm sorry if it was a bit off. I have to go get ready for work. I leave in about 30 minutes to work. So I'll see you guys in my next one. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope you guys like and subscribe. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below how your budget is going for the week. I hope you guys are having an amazing day once again. And thank you guys, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have, again, once again, an amazing day. And I've noticed I got a few new subscribers. Thank you for the ones who have been watching, and thank you for the new ones who are coming. I appreciate it so very much. And see you guys in my next one. Bye.